I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, the beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Baby, I have been here before. I know this room, I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the Marble Arch. Love is not a victory march. It's cold and it's a broken hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. There was a time when you let me know what's really going on below, but now you never show it to me, do you? And remember when I moved in you, the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 oh, hallelujah, but